This video shows how to create a 3D curve defined by a parametric equation. To create a logarithmic spiral, for example, define like this. Create a new part and follow this process step by step. Create these two parameters. Then create laws to define x and y. With a parameter v of type real that will vary from 0 to 1. Create a vertical line. And use parallel command with the laws. Combine these two curves. And project the result on xy plane. To drive the number of loops to draw, create a parameter of type integer and change the laws like this. With this method, you can create all kinds of ornamental curve for architecture, like the butterfly curve, for example, in exact definition.